Hey there, struggling with your Beats pill not turning on? You're not alone. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to fix turning on the Beats pill with simple step-by-step solutions. Let's get your favorite music blasting again without a hitch. Step 1. Check the power source. Before diving into more complex solutions, start with the basics. Often the issue lies with the power source. Ensure the charger is functional. First, confirm that your charger and cable are working properly. Try using a different charger or test your existing one on another device to see if it's charging. Inspect the charging port. Dust or debris can accumulate in the charging port, preventing proper connections. Use a clean, dry brush or compressed air to gently clean the port. Examine the power source. Make sure your power outlet or USB port is providing power. Test it with another device to be sure it's working. Step 2. Reset the Beats pill. If the power source is fine, but your Beats pill still won't turn on, a reset might do the trick. Locate the power and B power button. Find the round button on the top of your Beats pill labeled with a B. Perform the reset. Press and hold the B power button for 10 seconds. Release the button and wait for the Beats pill to power back on. This simple reset can often resolve software glitches preventing the speaker from turning on. Step 3. Examine the battery. Sometimes the issue may lie with the battery itself. Allow time to charge. If the battery is completely drained, it might require a few minutes of charging before the device can respond. Leave it plugged in for at least 20 minutes before attempting to turn it on. Look for battery damage. Check for any signs of swelling or leaks at the back. If you notice any, discontinue use immediately. It might be time to replace the battery or consult a professional. Step 4. Update firmware. Firmware issues can also cause operational problems with your Beats pill. Connect to a computer. Use a USB cable to connect your Beats pill to a computer with the Beats Updater software installed. Update the software. Launch the Beats Updater and follow the prompts to install any available updates. Make sure to keep your device connected until the update is complete. Updating the firmware can resolve compatibility issues and unexpected bugs. Step 5. Seek professional help. If you've tried all the steps above and your Beats pill still refuses to turn on, it might be time to seek professional help. Contact customer support. Reach out to Beats customer support for guidance specific to your device. Visit an authorized service center. Sometimes internal components may need repair or replacement. A professional technician can diagnose and fix these issues. Getting your Beats pill back to life doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following this guide on how to fix turning on the Beats pill, you have several strategies at your disposal. Whether it's checking the power source, resetting the device, or seeking professional assistance, you're well equipped to address the problem. Remember, maintaining your device by ensuring it's updated and properly charged can prevent many common issues. Enjoy your music and rock on with your Beats pill.